Hello guys, we are gonna be... That was weird. Why did I say that again? But we will just be playing Revenge of the Slimes. I did just turn on my microphone. So, yeah. And we got a dot blaster, which is my favorite in this game. The next we will be placing that. Cannon, of course, we all know the all good cannon. Now this guy is just a savage. Like that. The slimes are coming. So basically, you have an arrow. And I have been playing this before. More than that. These lines are cutting off my leg. Oh, okay. Ooh. Oh no. No, God. No, God. Ow. He sliced off my Ooh. No. They ripped off my baby. No. I'm dead. You can look, I'm pretty much dead. They didn't destroy these. Yeah, they are okay, except for this guy got his thing off. Cannon is no. Cannon is destroyed. Doesn't look like it's working now. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Ooh. Yep. Oh, that guy got a speed coin. Well, we might make another episode of this. We did survive one round, but that's okay. Well, if you want to know, please hit that like button, or else the slimes might come out your house. You don't want to get eaten by it. I'm very sure. Well, please leave a like and please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!